The next item is called teacher video slide, and it's like this item here. The way this works is this is again for the presenter teachers that are showing these videos in class, right? So these are the teachers that are playing the video, having it on a projector, full screening it. And one use case that we saw in classrooms is that a lot of teachers were basically playing and pausing the video. And every time they pause the video, they would like go on to explain something or ask a question to the class, and then do something or whatever, and then continue playing the video. And we saw this happen a lot of times when we did a lot of classroom visits, so we created this feature. The way this feature works, and let me go to like a new lesson for that because there is a bit of a demo or intro for teachers, is that teachers can create kind of like PowerPoint slides that they can insert into the video. And when they create a PowerPoint slide or video slide, there's a quick demo here, the teacher can specify what time the slide will appear. By default, it is the time that the teacher is currently at the video. So for example, as you can see, as the video plays over here, this time changes over here too. So let's say I want to create a slide at 6 seconds in the video and then ask the class a question like, so something that like maybe a discussion question, maybe like some extra information that the video doesn't contain. The teacher can go ahead and create that slide. That slide is then visible at this bottom here. Each video can have up to 10 slides, and it'll tell you how many of them you have right now. And as you can see inside this video, when you look at the video timeline, there's like a little ... with a bubble. That means that you have a video slide at that point in time. So now that you have this slide created, what does it actually do? Well, when you don't actually have to refresh the page, but presumably the teacher creates the slides in advance. And then when the teacher is showing the video to her class, the teacher will play the video. And as the video plays, when the video gets to the point in time that the slide is there, it will automatically stop, show the slide, and kind of pause the video. So then at this point, the teacher can use this as a chance to talk with the class, have a discussion, whatever. And when they're done, they can press continue, and the video will keep on playing.